Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. On the third position, we've got date and time, so let's enter, and as you can see here, we've got some options which we can customize. First of all, we can decide if we want to use the automatic date, time and time zone, so they will be network provided, or we can set them manually, so of course it's up to you. I will tap on this option and I will pick off. As you can see, we can also use the GPS provided time, but I will stay with off. And the date and time options are active. I can also tap on this switcher, and thanks to this the time zone will also be active. So let's tap on the date, and as you can see from this calendar, we can freely choose the date we want to use. So I will pick, for example, I don't know, 17th of August of 2023. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, I've just decided that this is the date I want to currently have on my device. The same situation with the time, so from this clock we can just choose the time we want to use, so for example this one. Remember to confirm it with OK, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. What's more, we can choose the time zone, so simply tap on it, tap on the region, and here you can choose the region of which you'd like to use. So let me pick, for example, maybe the Turkey. And as you can see, it immediately changes, but be aware that if you will choose the time zone manually, then the time will be changed according to it, so be aware about that. What's more, here we can use the local default, so automatic 24-hour format, or here we can decide if we want to use 12-hour format just by tapping on the switcher, and it also immediately changes. So actually this is it. This is how to set date and time. If you'd like to get back to all previous settings, so if you'd like to set the date and time automatically, then just tap here, tap on use network provided time, tap on the switcher to use automatic time zone, and here to use automatic 24-hour format. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.